Welcome to our YouTube channel Science Made Simple with Sita. Today we shall discuss about the distinction between adsorption and absorption. In the last video I have talked about the concept of surface chemistry. In that we have seen what is adsorption. Adsorption is nothing but accumulation of the substance over the surface of the adsorbent. Now let us see the difference between adsorption and absorption. In the spelling itself you can see the difference. It is AD and absorption it is AB. Okay, so now first point of difference is that it is concentrated only at the surface of the adsorbent. So adsorption is a phenomena which focus on the surface of the adsorbent, but adsorption it is uniformly distributed throughout the bulk of the solid. So full surface is occupied by the adsorbate. Then the concept is known as absorption. For example, we can consider the chalk piece dipped in ink. If we see the chalk piece dipped in ink, you can see the surface of the chalk piece covered by the ink surface. But on the other hand, chalk piece dipped in water, we can see that the chalk piece is wetted by the water. So that is the difference between adsorption and absorption. In that first case, only the surface of the chalk piece is wetted by the ink, and in the second case, the full chalk piece is wetted by the water. Secondly, we can see the example of water vapor adsorbed by silica gel. Silica gel, it will adsorb all the water vapor that is present. On the other hand, water vapor is absorbed by anhydrous calcium chloride. Calcium chloride becomes wet due to the absorption of water vapor. Silica gel remains dry due to the adsorption of water vapor. So that is the difference between adsorption and absorption. Here the concentration of the adsorbate increases only at the surface of the adsorbate. So on the surface alone you have the increase in the adsorption. On the other hand, the concentration is uniform throughout the bulk of the solid. Fully it is distributed fully. You can see the figure. In this figure the adsorbate is only at the surface of the adsorbent. This is the concept of adsorption. And on the other hand, it occupies the entire, not only on the surface but also in the bulk. You can see the adsorbate inside the adsorbent. So that is the concept of adsorption.